There is new money available for childcare providers to cover costs for themselves and for families. Maine DHHS announced the $73 million in grants yesterday. The money comes from the American Rescue Plan. Providers that receive the grants must use part of them to pay bonuses of $200 per month to staff who directly care for children. There's additional money to pay for expenses such as rent and utilities or reducing fees for families. Lots of locations had to shut down either temporarily or permanently due to the pandemic, and many parents chose to keep their kids at home instead of paying for childcare. The executive director of Maine's Association for the Education of Young Children says this is a great start toward helping parents and childcare workers.
It's the scale of investment that's been needed this whole year to really stabilize and shore up our childcare programs who've really suffered a lot of financial losses. These are really good changes that I'm sure in a couple of years we'll see families of young children and those who work in childcare advocating for those changes to stick because they've been so wonderful for the childcare sector.
A lot of this ties into the infrastructure bills that are being discussed in Washington, which would add funding for child care and public preschool. One goal is to make sure no family pays more than 7% of its income on child care.